Have you ever wanted to understand a real English conversation from start to finish? Today, let's go on a coffee trip together from home all the way to the cafe. Let's begin. It's Saturday morning. Before anything else, I need coffee, not the instant kind, the real kind. Hey, I'm heading out for coffee. Do you want anything?
Yes, please. Can you get me an iced coffee?
Sure, no problem. Iced coffee. I'll be back soon.
Thank you so much.
So I grab my keys, step outside, and start walking down the street.
Good morning. Off to get your coffee.
Yes, I can't start my day without it. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
You too. Have a great day. The street is quiet this morning. I can smell fresh bread from the bakery next door. And there it is. My favorite cafe. Same little bell on the door.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get started for you?
Hi. Can I get a medium latte, oat milk please, and an iced coffee as well?
Sure thing. For here or to go?
Both to go, thanks.
No problem. Anything else for you today?
Actually, yes. Can I also get a blueberry muffin?
Of course. That's $11.50. Tapping or inserting?
Tapping.
Perfect. I'll call your name when it's ready. Cold morning, isn't it?
Really is. I needed this coffee.
Ha, a lot of people say that today. Any plans for the weekend?
Nothing special, just relaxing at home. And you?
Same, honestly. That sounds nice. Barista. Order for Alex.
That's me, thank you.
Here you go. Have a great day. Thank you, you too.
With coffee in hand, I start walking home. Short walk, a warm coffee, and a few small conversations. That's a perfect morning. I hope this helped you practice real English conversation. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more everyday English lessons. And tell me in the comments, what do you usually order at a cafe?